In this tutorial, we are going to animate a 2D building in such a way that it looks 3D when animated. You can see that we have two layers of building ready here. One is called the side plane and the other is called the top plane. Now what we need to do is to separate the two sides of the building. For this, let's select both the sides of the building as seen in the video. We then right-click on the selected sides and choose Distribute to Layers from the menu that appears. We can see that using Distribute to Layers has created two layers for the two sides of the building which we have selected. So now let's select an earlier layer called Side Plane and delete it by pressing the Delete key on the keyboard. We now have three layers as seen in the video. Please make sure that you keep the top plane layer under the side plane layers as seen in the video. We do this because the shape of the top plane layer is going to be distorted quite a bit and it will be easier to manage it if the layer is under the other layer. You will notice that we have set the timeline for 100 frames already. We've done this by selecting frame 100 and pressing F5. We then select frame 50 on all the three layers and add a keyframe on each layer using F6 as seen in the video. We now get started by going to the top plane layer. But before that, we lock all the layers except this one and switch the other two layers to wireframe mode. Please see the video to locate the wireframe switch. Now we go to the top plane, select it and start modifying the shape using the free transform tool. The shortcut is Q. Please make sure you match the adjustments and distortions of the shape as it is done in the video. Next, we adjust the side planes so that they fit in the top plane's shape that we have modified. Once this is done, we switch off the wireframe. We switch on the onion skin option so that we can see both the keys clearly. Please see the video and follow it for the good results. We match the first key and the 50th keyframe. Once you've followed the video and matched the positions, we switch off the onion skin. Then we add a keyframe on frame 100 on all the layers using F6. We then skew our building to the left side as seen in the video. We do this by using the free transform tool. The shortcut is Q. Select some frames between the first and the last keyframes. Right-click on any one and choose Create Classing Tween from the menu that appears. A quick preview by pressing the Enter key shows us that the building can be seen rotating. The top plane seems to be distorting a bit too much. So we lock the two side plane layers, then we go to frame 75, select it and add a keyframe using F6 and adjust the top plane exactly as seen in the video. The top plane is still distorting a bit while rotating. So we go to frame 75, select it and add a keyframe using F6. We adjust the top plane shape as seen in the video. We still have some distortion in the top plane. So we add a keyframe on frame 13 using F6 and adjust the top plane on this keyframe as seen in the video. We then add another keyframe on frame 37 and refine the top plane's shape. Next, we do the same addition after frame 50 as seen in the video. We add a keyframe at frame 63 and adjust the top plane. And then we go to frame 87 and do the same adjustments as seen in the video. We can do a quick preview now and see what our animation looks like. Now let's add a shadow effect. We go to the left plane and unlock the layer. We select the symbol and go to the tint at the right of our work area, which is in Properties, Object, Color Effect. We select black in the color box next to tint, and on the tint slider, we set a value of 20% as seen in the video. Next, we go to frame 50, go back to tint and set the value at 30% here. And then we go to frame 100, go back to the tint slider and set the value to 40%. A quick preview by pressing the Enter key will show us that a shadow effect is added to the left side of the building. Let's now export an SWF and look at the preview properly. The building looks good. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.